Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampurasun, Rahayu, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Hello, my name is Asep Wadi. I'm a doctoral student of Art Education Study Program, Faculty of Language and Arts, University Negeri Semarang. On this occasion, I will explain my article entitled Pancakomara Puppet Show Performance in the play Sumur Si Jalatunda to increase the values of naturalism and patriotism. The first slide, Wayang Golek Sunda. Wayang itself has been recognized by UNESCO in 2003 as a masterpiece of oral and intangible heritage of humanity. Because wayang is also famous for its oral tradition, which is indeed done when hunting and also performing rhetoricality. In the language of natural artists, inheritance using oral methods can be referred to as ngabeo, or listening to what is explained by the teacher either directly or indirectly. For example, in a performance that is recorded using audio media. Surely the inheritors of this poetry art will listen until memories and can be performed again in front of the public, returning to the discussion of wayang when viewed in history has been found since the time of the ancient Mataram kingdom. As for the land of Pasundan, wayang has been known since the time of the Pajajaran kingdom. This is written in the text Siskandang Karesian manuscript. During the reign of the king of Pakuan Pajajaran, Sri Baduga Maharaja. It says, if you want to know stories like Damarjati, Sang Hyang Bayu, Jayasena, Sedamana, Pujayakrama, Ramayana, Adiparwa, Korawasrama, Bima Sorga, Ranggalawe, Poma, Sumana, Kala Purbaka, Jarini, Tantri, and the Alkins of story as the Dalang. However, the term Golek was daily disused in the 1084 when in the end R.A. Wirantakusuma or Dalam Karanganyar gave a mandate to Kidarman, a later puppet craftsman from Tegal, to make from a Golek Purwa, which is finally become Wayang Golek Purwa Sunda. The second slide, Pancakomara. Pancakomara means five and Komara means authority. So five Komara in the one group are a reference for R.H. Cecep Supriyadi. The one Komara Indung, two Komara Bapa, three Komara wife, pamajikan, four Komara child, five personal Komara given by Gusti, the God. Yes. So Pancakomara is five influences that are united into a strong unity and applied in wayang golek performance. This can be seen from the existence of R.H. Cecep Supriyadi in working and packaging his puppet show to make them more interesting, by creating various plays, composing literary versions, and giving new colors to Sundanese puppetry vokal. R.H. Cecep Supriyadi is a puppet master from Karawang, West Java. His work in Sundanese puppetry is excellent, and R.H. Cecep is one of the originators of puppet plays that have become trend in Sundanese puppet. Play he has written are quite allowed written in his research Wawan Gunawan. The play he has created and created around 100 plays, and one of them is Sumur Sejalatunda and Nurkala Kalidasa. Sumur Sejalatunda is a play that is associated with the G30 SPKI betrayal on the 30 September 1985. But when making this play, R.H. Cecep Supriyadi certainly brought character from the Mahabharata epic, which is why this play include the type of carangan play results from the creativity of our Japanese poverty maestro. Why is said to be taken from the G30 SPKI story? Because this play discusses the formation of a float to kill the military general Sunsil in Amarta. The name Gatotkaca, Cakatawang, Antarja, Abimanyu, Nakula, Sadewa, and Setyaki, where the 7 people are considered dangerous and strong enough to maintain the superiority of the Amarta state. Storyline, the one season, this Astina, Duryodhana summoned the elders of Astina with the intention of complaining about the letter from the Pandavas challenging war. Then all of them gave their views, but Duryodhana used the view of Rasidrona because it was considered the most effective way without the need to fight a war, but get great benefit by secretly kidnapping and killing the Pandavas military figures. The season 2, Madukara, this Arjuna and his 2 wives were discussing about his life filled with various happens and discussing polygamy. After that, Arjuna was visited by his teacher Rasidrona. Then Rasidrona talked about something to slender Gatotkaca as commander of the Amarta military defense would hold a court in the Amarta state. But first Arjuna did not believe and did not want to take action. But with all the knowledge he had, Dorna finally managed to initiate Arjuna, and Arjuna became like a dead person and hates Gatotkaca and the other military. They agreed to the strategy the world be carried out by Drona to kill the Amarta state official who had their own hegemony. The strategy is carried out by Dursasana, Jayadratha, and Aswatthama. The 3 season, this is Markas Militer Amarta. The first scene in this section tells the story of Jakatawang, who is looking at the beauty of the world at night. But when Jakatawang was enjoying the atmosphere, Jayadratha infiltrated secretly and threatened to be soldier and knocked on the door where Jakatawang was silent. When Jakatawang opened the door, Jayadratha immediately hit Jakatawang head with his match until he died. After that, Jayadratha approached Antarja and Abimanyu, who were a distance from Jakatawang residence. When he found them, Jayadratha immediately snatched up hit Antarja and Abimanyu with his match until they died. The next signs, there is Aswatthama, who is confused because of his text of kill Gatotkaca. Well, Gatotkaca is a figure who is so extraordinary in his magic and very difficult to defeat. Then Bambang Aswatthama fantasized and talked to himself, which is a fatal thing because Gatotkaca has a sense Helen Sabta Pangrungu. Whose character is able to hear sound from a distance even though it is an insect under a rock. Hearing Pancabraja signs which result in Aswatthama immediately failing and not strong enough to fight. Saying his opponent like that, Gatotkaca immediately interrogates Aswatthama why he wanted to kill him. Wo won Vikal and Wo Aswatthama to do this, and finally Aswatthama answered that those who would Vikal by him were. Gatotkaca and all Panakawan, hearing that, Gatotkaca immediately took him to Tomaritis and handed him over to the Panakawan, especially Semar Badranaya. When arrived at Tomaritis, Aswatthama was immediately interrogated again and of course immediately revealed his plan, which was to kidnap and kill 7 officials who had great influence in the states of Amarta besides Yudhishthira, Bhima, and Arjuna. With Aswatthama explanation, Gatotkaca and Panakawan immediately checked the well of si Jalatunda in the question and ensured out that Aswatthama explanation really happened with a full sense of responsibility. Gatotkaca immediately took action and referred first to Prabu Yudhishthira. The fourth season, Amarta, this section tells the scene of the problem solving done by Gatotkaca and assisted by Bambang Pancasakti, as well as the Panakawan who are mandated Prabu Yudhishthira. What's more, Bambang Pancasakti, Sage Arjuna, Drona, Klana Jayadrata, and Dursasana, then all of them were arrested except Arjuna who resist and fell to the state of Dwarwati and asked Bhattarakrishna for help. Of course, Bhattarakrishna himself did not want to help Arjuna, but because of his pity, Bhattarakrishna finally helped him by hiding Arjuna, and this of course did not help because Krishna was even in trouble too, which of course was consisted a conspirator. This made Bhattarakrishna handcuff Arjuna. Then Arjuna was told to follow his to Semar Badranaya for help. Saying this, Semar immediately took action by bowing down to Gatotkaca and Bambang Pancasakti while reading his scientific mantra. Like that, Pancasakti immediately changed in the form into pusaka Layang Jamus Kalimusada, which was given it to Gatotkaca and gave the miracle of reviving the dead heroes including Antarja, Jakatawang, Abimanyu, Nakula, Sadewa, Setyaki, and Samba Purwaganda. Objectives: shaping the mentality of nationalism and patriotism of the Sundanese Wayang Golek audience, revisiting history so that it become an evaluation material for future generation, preserving the art of Sundanese puppetry as a noble art, and the benefits to shape the mentality of nationalism and patriotism of the Sundanese puppet audience, to recall this history of the Indonesian nation so that it become an evaluation material future generation, to preserve and extend the life of Sundanese people as a noble art. And the theory used in this research is a mixed-ball structuralism theory of narratology in the Her book Narratology, Introduction to the Theory of Narrative, translated by Christina van Bohemen. Mickball's narratology theory focus more on the approach, the center of storytelling technique. The existence of this theory will facilitate the analysis of the Sumur Sejarah Tunda play or the elements contained in Mickball's narratology structuralism theory has three important points. The one point is a narrator. Narrator is according to Mickball. Narrator are divided into two types: external narrator in a third version, or all-knowing narrator, and character-born. As a first-person narrator, the difference between these two types of narrator lies in the objects being narrated. Narrator, when applied to wayang golek, clearly show the duties of a puppeteer as a narrator performer and a person who organizes actual puppets. Firstly, a narrator is clear that a puppeteer will prepare a Sangeet script so that the performance runs in a structured manner. Secondly, is a player. It is clear that a puppeteer is a player in a puppet show because the puppeteer also plays a role in the Nyandra, Murwa, and the Kakawen. Third, the puppeteer is the one who organizes the movement of the actor. In Padalangan Turun, challenge Sabetan in the Sabetan here is required to animate the puppet character being played Mariga. So the term narrator is divided into two parts, namely external narrator and the character-born narrators. Is applied to the word of the Padalangan is very related because puppeteer is responsible for some this point. This certainly applied to Pancakomara, Sundanese wayang golek performance, because if you can remember the Pancakomara archie circle is one of the organizers of the Karawangan puppetry style. And the point two, vocalizator. Vocalizer is a person or subject or performance vocalization or discernment in a story. If applied in the field of puppetry, the puppeteer is also included in the vocalizer because a puppeteer is responsible for the dialogues, monologues, and sekaran in wayang golek performance. In dialogue and monologues, of course, the script use will not all be in the accordance and the same as what we plan. With this, there will definitely be an improvisation from a puppeteer. The term person in the vocalizer can be referred to as the puppeteer, and the subject is the main or supporting character in the wayang golek performances of Wiyaga and Catur. Fabula and Manuel relates to a group of structure and systematic event experience or caused by actor. The main elements in fabula point are event, location, and actor. All these elements order build a series of story. So, fabula here can be interpreted as a sequence of story structure in a wayang golek play in which there are elements of event, problem, conflict, solution. The location or the place where the event occurs and who is in the event actors win this the element. A play we will form in a golek puppet show. I'd say the sporting element in is accompanying musical element, but in the wayang golek performance are very closely related to the musical elements, namely Amardawa Lagu and the Antawacana, which with their point from the theory of the structuralism narratology, it will facilitate the analysis of the play Sumur Sejarah Tunda by R.H. Cipta. The methods I'm used in the research and qualitative research from Mills and Haberman. The research objective and of qualitative method is to explain a phenomenon as deeply as possible by collecting data as deeply as possible, which show the importance of the deep and detail of the data study. The conclusion: this research aimed to explore the content of the play Sumur Sejarah Tunda, whose storyline referenced the Trishonous event of G30 VKI 1985, which of course can be knowledge for future generation and also provide a stimulus in having the values of nationalism and patriotism in future generation. So that they are superior, able to continue the baton of culture, have a sense of the nationalism and patriotism, and are able to become better future leaders with various shortcomings in the research conduct of the course. The research in fit similar of cross-disciplinary research to able to continue the shortcomings in this study in various aspects that can be updated or made addition in the absence. Thank you very much. The last statement for me, kembang pinitik Sinembaran Sari tutup lawang sigotaka. Thank you very much. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.